Abusive, neglectful, disgraceful, those are just a few of the words investigators are using tonight after arresting these parents for what they discovered inside their home. They say the children were forced to live in a trailer. The parents were living inside the mobile home. This is all northeast of Weatherford, and new at 10 o'clock. Aaron Jones is reporting for us from Parker County.
It was one of the nastiest, filthiest places that I have ever been.
But the Parker County Sheriff says it's what was happening inside this Weatherford home that's truly disturbing.
It was just an awful situation.
Last month, 4 children were removed from this home and put in foster care. One child told authorities their stepfather, 20-year-old Colton Lackey, was sexually abusive and involved with child pornography. Their mother, 34-year-old Amanda Fuller, knew about the abuse but didn't act on it. Both parents are now in jail. Lackey for indecency with a child by sexual contact. Fuller for possession of a controlled substance.
Yesterday we executed a search warrant.
These photos document the conditions the children were living in. Authorities say drugs, including meth and cocaine, were found.
There were 5 animals on chains, some of them in the house.
You go in there thinking, what person in their right mind would live in these conditions, much less expose children and animals to these conditions?
I'm glad the kids aren't there anymore.
John Coonrad lives down the street and says sometimes he'd see the children's parents outside.
Usually somebody's sitting out in this van with a light tinkering, doing something. I get that people get lost and they do drugs and have a good time or whatever, but to let it affect your family, to let it affect your kids, that's just, I guess that's what drugs do.
And the children range in age from 6 to 15. We did reach out to DFPS to see what prior involvement, if any, they had with this family. We're still waiting to hear back. Reporting live in Weatherford, Aaron Jones, CBS 11 News.
Aaron, thank you for getting us underway in the update from Weatherford tonight.